Welcome here, friends! If you ever find yourself wishing you could get paid to watch videos online, we've got some very good news you can. Here's how making money from watching videos is a lot easier than you might think, as you likely watch films and ads online in your spare time already. It's such a simple way to earn extra money. It's a great way to make money alongside similar ventures, like starting a YouTube channel. Plus, doing video-related work experience could boost your CV. So if you are hoping to get a job in film, TV, or digital media, it's ideal. There are many ways to watch videos for money, and we'll go through the best options. So before we get started, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for pop-up notifications for my next videos. Number 1. Swagbucks. If you haven't already, signing up for Swagbucks is a great way to start making money from quick and easy tasks. You can earn rewards for watching videos, surfing the web, and doing paid online surveys. The types of videos you'll watch on Swagbucks could include ads, news content, and viral videos. By watching videos on the site, you might not earn huge amounts of money or Swagbucks points that go but as it's such easy money, it's worth trying. Plus, when you use Swagbucks on top of the other suggestions in this list, your earnings will soon add up. Number 2. Inbox Pounds. Inbox Pounds works in a similar way to Swagbucks. It lets you earn cash for super simple things like watching videos and taking surveys. Again, you might not make big money here, but the more tasks you do beyond watching videos, the more money you can make. Even reading Inbox Pounds deals emails or searching the internet on their search page can earn cash. Number 3. We are 8. Hoping to watch ads for money and make a positive impact where it could be the app for you like some of the others on this list. We Are 8 is an app that lets you earn cash for watching videos, but it has a slight difference. As well as making money to boost your bank balance, you also have the chance to contribute to charity. After you watch ads on this platform, you're asked to answer a few quick questions, and you can earn 10p to 20p per video. Number 4. Watch ads and TV trailers at Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie is a review site that lets you earn points for doing loads of very easy things like watching interesting videos, listening to music, and answering survey questions. Videos include commercials and clips, like trailers for films and TV shows. The minimum withdrawal is $10, about £1.15, which will get paid into your PayPal account as they read through all the reviews before making payments. You might need to wait up to 5 working days with withdrawal requests to be processed. Number 5. Prizeable. Prizeable is a site that lets you earn money watching videos, something that requires so little work it's almost free money. You can request the money you've earned through the site as PayPal money or as gift cards when withdrawing the money via PayPal. There's a minimum payout of $5, about £4. If you're redeeming your points for a voucher, you may find the minimum payout is lower than it is when using PayPal. For example, you might be able to use your points to claim an Amazon voucher worth $2, about £1.65. When you redeem the points you've earned through the site, your money gift cards will be processed and sent to you within 24 hours. As well as watching videos, you can also answer paid online surveys and refer friends to Prize Rebels to boost your earnings and on Prize Rebels' social media pages. They often share opportunities to get bonus points. Number 6. Fiverr. Write subtitles for films as a freelancer via Fiverr. To add more film-related experience to your CV and make money in the process, you could start writing subtitles for online videos as a freelancer. Subtitles and transcripts can be very time-consuming to write, so save time. Some content creators hire freelancers to write their video subtitles for them. On sites like Fiverr, you can find freelancers offering to write video subtitles for a fee. To get an idea of prices, have a look at what other freelancers charge for similar services, then post rates that you think are fair but competitive. As a guideline, we've seen some freelancers on Fiverr start the rates at around £4 to write subtitles. If you speak another language, this is a bonus. It means you'll be able to charge a bit extra to translate videos on a freelance basis. Not to mention, it's bound to impress you in the future. Number 7. Film and TV reviews at Money Pantry. Hoping to make a living from watching videos. Becoming a film or TV reviewer is one of the best, most established ways of doing so. It's by no means easy to reach the point of writing about videos as a full-time job, but with hard work, dedication, and strong writing skills, You can do it on a freelance basis. You'll need to start off by charging lower rates to reflect your level of experience. You deserve to get paid for your writing. To prepare for a full-time job as a film or TV critic, it's worth looking into internships to boost your CV. Unfortunately, not all journalism internships pay well, or at all in some cases. And if you do find yourself on an unpaid internship, our guide to supporting yourself financially during the placement can help. Once you start to build up your portfolio of reviews and make a name for yourself, you can gradually increase your rates and take on bigger commissions. Number 8. Promote videos for companies online. As well as getting paid to watch videos, you could consider charging companies to promote their clips and ads online. Sponsored posts are a common way to make money for online influencers. While you necessarily need a huge online following to do this, it would help if you had a reasonable number of followers on social media and/or your own blog. The bigger your audience, the more you can charge companies to share their content. Of course, it's important to make sure the videos you're promoting are useful and relevant to your audience. It could really impact your online brand if you share content with your followers don't engage with. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our new content. See you soon. Thanks for watching.